So what is the overall dimensions of the Flux Raider? So I'm here to give you kind of an info dump video about all of the measurements, lengths, depending on what stock you put on the Raider and depending on what configuration you want to put this into. Okay, so here we have the Raider in its standard configuration, pistol brace. The overall from top to bottom is 11 inches collapsed. It is different when you eject the brace out. So here we're looking at 18 inches overall length. Now, when this changes is when you put different stocks of different lengths on. Let's go over the length of pull real quick and explain what that is before we get into the stocks, because that's where knowing your length of pull matters more. So that would be from the trigger face to the back of the brace or stock while it's extended. The configuration with the flush stock, it's the exact same as the pistol brace. You're not adding any length to the Raider, which means you are just barely under 13.5 inches from your trigger face to the back. So here we have a Raider with a plus 1.5 inch stock installed onto it. This now has the length of pull when extended out to be plus 1.5 inches over 13.5 inches. So you're looking at 15 inches of length of pull here, which would turn this into an SBR by ATF standard. This will be from tip to butt. Used to be 11 inches with the braced or flush stock Raider. Now with the extra 1.5 inches, we're looking at what, 12.5 inches overall length. If that fits in your bag, that is awesome. There's, compact lights you can use. There's also barrels that will not extend past the actual frame of the Raider. So you can look at 12.5 inches as your overall length. With the plus 3 inch stock on the back of the Raider, we now have an overall length of 14 inches while it's collapsed. We're adding 3 inches to the back, which means we're now looking at 16.5 inches of length of pull from trigger face to the back of the stock. So all of these measurements kind of lead up to one question that we get a lot in the emails. And that would be, can you ship a Raider to my state? On our website, we have an FAQ section where we list off the different states that we cannot ship a Raider to unless you are active law enforcement or military. And we just ask that you guys push and vote for people who will get rid of these assault weapons bans in your states. So that's the end of this video. Just none of it matters if you don't go out and shoot your Raider. So get out, shoot it as much as possible. Just a reminder, do not reach out to us over Facebook, social media with customer service questions. Those you can direct directly to alex@fluxdefense.com, and we will take care of you over emails where we have all of the software and links available to us to answer your questions. If you ask us questions on Facebook or Instagram, I could be on the toilet and I won't have the proper resources to answer your question. That being said, you can always reach out to us and we will get back to you as fast as possible. So that is the end of this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.